Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews on your WordPress. So first of all, you want to go to plugins and add new plugin, and you want to write down Google reviews. Now you will see this plugin and let's use this one and click install now. And after that you should see that right there. Let's activate it. And now here it is. As you can see, you need to enter the place ID, or you can also enter the location. But I would suggest to enter your place's ID. So to have it and to find it, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use a random spot, a random restaurant now. So here on Google, you can actually go on reviews, and where it says add a review, you want to inspect it. Click on inspect. After that, you want to use command find or control find, and you want to search for. Now, if you cannot find the place ID on Google, you can actually do this by writing down the location right here on this page, and you will see the place ID right here. You copy it here and you click connect. After that, it will connect, and as you can see, there's a lot of reviews, and now you can actually copy this shortcode and you can enter your reviews on any of your pages. So let's go to any of our page and let's enter this code. Now let's write down shortcode and enter it here. And yeah, that's basically it. You're gonna update it and you will see the reviews on your website. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.